Yo guys, welcome back. It's raining outside quite a lot. But yeah, I'm probably gonna premiere this video. This video will be live as a premiere. I don't know when I'll premiere this video. Probably later today, not right now. I'll like set it to premiere at a later time. I don't know when. But yeah, I just delivered Papa John's pizza to my customers. So yeah, 2 boxes of little mini pizzas. It's like a build your own pizza. It smells so fucking good. I wanted to open my customer's pizza and eat it. Oh, she's picking it up. Damn, I want to eat your pizza. I really want to just eat my customer's food, you know, but I know I'll get fired. And, you know, they'll report me, my account will get deactivated. But I don't know, I would feel really bad, though, because I don't want to eat people's food. You know, it's for them, they paid for it, so yeah. So I'm not literally gonna do that, but I want to. But yeah, guys, still kind of pissed off about yesterday. My dad was so fucking mean. Fuck. Still fucking pissed off. I don't know, I feel like my mom is more nicer than my dad. I don't know. But we do have our arguments, like, we have our arguments from time to time. Like, my mom called me a clown, like, maybe like a few months ago. I don't know, we got in an argument, and then my mom, she called me a clown. She said I'm a fucking clown. But yeah, I don't know. My mom usually is nice, but sometimes she can be kind of mean. My dad is like so fucking annoying. God, I can't stand my parents sometimes. They're so fucking mean. But mostly my dad. Like him yesterday, like fucking making me feel like shit. Yeah, I got the AC on just to kind of unfog my windows. Ah, shit, I hope I'm going the right way. Yeah, I hope I'm going the right way. I don't even know where I'm going. I am going in the right direction. I just don't know, like, how to leave this area. I'm in Sundance right now. Fuck, I don't know where to go. Oh, don't be a fucking dead end. Fucking hell. But yeah, my parents are fucking rude. My parents are fucking mean, like, saying I'm a clown. Like, shut the fuck up. Like, I'm not a fucking clown. I don't know, sometimes I'd rather just be like in jail or some shit than be with my parents. But nah, jail sucks. I don't want to ever go there. I don't know. Stuck in some alleyway and it's pouring rain. How do I leave this place? God, I hate this fucking road. Like, I was heading in the direction back home, and to fucking leave, you have to go all the way back, and now I'm going the opposite way. I fucking hate this shit. God damn, I hate this fucking place. Like, I don't even know where I am right now. I have zero fucking idea. This place is a fucking circus, literally. I'm in a fucking circus right now. Fucking circus. Okay, I know where I am, finally. I'm kind of mad at my entire family. I'm even really mad at my sister, too. I don't want to see anyone right now in my family. They're so fucking mean. Fucking circus my house is. I want to, like, not see my parents for, like, 2 weeks and eat pizza, you know? Fucking clowns. Okay, I'm exiting Sundance, so that's good. Yeah, I love this weather. I absolutely love the rain. Like, how come it never rained in July? Why was July so fucking bad, but August is actually, like, really good and rainy? I don't know if I'll make it. I have a green light. It's kind of far away, but maybe I'll make it. Yeah, I'll make it. I'm good. I'll make it. It turned yellow, but I made it on time. Yeah, I don't know what to eat for lunch. I haven't even eaten yet. Circle K over there. Don't know if you guys saw it, but yeah, I go to that Circle K sometimes. I want to get like a hot dog from Circle K, maybe like a Froster sometime. Or the Joker Mad Energy drink. I really love that drink. I haven't had it. I haven't even had an energy drink in like 3 months. I might buy one really soon. Maybe even from Circle K, I don't know. I want to get a few snacks, maybe like a hot dog, an energy drink. Maybe Takis even. Maybe some candy. Or donuts, I know they have donuts there. And if my parents say, oh, well, you shouldn't fucking spend your money on convenience store food, fuck off. Fuck off, it's my money. Like, I can spend my money on whatever the fuck I want, because I'm working. It's my money that I make, you know? Like, fuck. Hate when they tell me to not buy certain shit. Like, fuck off. Fuck off, it's my money. God, my parents piss me off. Not really my mom, though, like I said. It's mostly my dad who's, like, pisses me off the most. It's not really my mom. I actually kind of like my mom. I'm only, like, mad at my dad and my sister. Yeah, I've seen a lot of funny, like, TikTok videos of, people basically saying that Mr. Beast, the contestants in his videos, they're like pussies because they basically, they cry about, like, how the challenge is so difficult and they're only there for, like, a day and they really miss their, like, wife or whatever, or their, like, mommy. You know, and yeah, I don't know, his challenges, they seem kind of like, I wouldn't really say easy, but I wouldn't really say hard either. Some challenges seem actually easy, but yeah, but some feel hard, I don't know. Alright, I have to do this other order, but yeah, see you guys, bye.